Good afternoon, guys. Myself Sridhar H, working as assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Government Engineering College, Haveri. Okay, today in this session, that is of a module 5, Digital Electronic Fundamentals of Basic Electronics. So in the session 4, we people are going for this gates. Okay, gates. So in the previous session we have looked for the Boolean functions in the abstract terms. In this section we see that the Boolean functions are implemented in digital computer circuits called gates. A gate is an electronic device that produces a result based on two or more input values. So already we people have come across this and, or, and, not. Okay, means depending upon the input values. So gates means always it will offer combinational circuits. In reality, gates consist of 1 to 6 transistors, but digital designs thinks of them in a single unit. Okay, so in the internal structure of a gate, we will be having a nearly of a 6 transistors, but we will not be concentrating on that one. So it just is a simple gate we will just consider. Integrated circuits contain collections of gates suited to a particular purpose. Okay, so these are the 3 basic gates. The 3 simplest gates are the AND, OR, and NOT gates. So these gates are already in the previous session, that is Boolean laws we have just come across. That is AND gate means multiplication, OR gate means addition, and NOT gate means complementary. That is here the truth table. AND gate means multiplication, 0 into 0 it will be 0, 0 into 1 it is 0, 1 into 0 it is 0, and 1 into 1 it is 1. So in one statement, if you want to represent the AND gate means, we can just tell the statement as, if any one of the input is 0, the output is 0 for AND gate. In the same fashion, for OR gate it is addition, that is 0 plus 0 it is 0, 0 plus 1 it is 1, 1 plus 0 it is 1, and 1 plus 1 it is 1. So in a statement, if you want to represent the OR gate, we can tell it as, if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. For AND gate it is, if any one of the input is 0, the output is 0 for AND gate. And for OR gate it is, if any one of the input is 1, the output is 1. And the NOT gate, so it is having only one input, so it's will be having a complementary output. That is, if the input is 0, the output is 1, and if the output is 1, the output is 0. Okay, so next, so these are the 3 basic gates. Next are the 2 universal gates. Universal gate is a gate which can implement any Boolean function without need to use any other gate type. Means we can design any of the gates or any of the circuits by using only these 2 universal gates, that is by using NAND and NOR separately. Okay, means if we are not having any of the gates, so if we just take the 3 basic gates and or not, if we are not having any of the basic gates, then we can be used by using the NAND and NOR, we can design any of the gates. For this reason it is known as the universal gates. Not only the gates, we can design any of the circuits too. Okay, in practice this is the advantage, since NAND and NOR gates are economical and easier to fabricate and are the basic gates used in all IC digits logic families. Okay, so this is the NAND and NOR of the 2 very important gates. These symbols are being shown below. Okay, next, see here. So this one is a NAND gate. NAND gate means it's a combination of AND gate connected with the one inverter gate, that is the bubble is been here. So it is the NAND gate means it is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So it means whatever the complementary output of a AND gate will be getting, that is 0 into 0, it should, the output of AND gate is what, 0, but here you will be getting it as 1. For 0 into 1 it is 1, 1 into 0 it is 1, and 1 1 it is 0. In the same fashion for NOR gate, it is also the same thing, it is just the combination of OR gate and NOT gate. So means whatever the output we are getting for a truth table is what, the complementary output of a OR gate, that is 0 plus 0, it should be 0, we are getting it as 1. So if you just cross check with the truth table of an AND gate and OR gate, so it will be of a NAND and NOR, it will be just the complementary output. Okay, so next, so nearly 5 gates we have completed, that is 3 basic gates and 2 universal gates. Three basic gates are what? AND gate, OR gate and NOR gate, and the universal gates are NAND and NOR. Now the remaining two are the special gates. XOR is an abbreviation for exclusive OR gate. XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. The simplest XOR gate is a two input digital circuit that outputs a logic 1 if the two input values differ. That is, its output is logical well, its whether inputs of its are 1. Okay, see, if 0 0 it is 0, for 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 it is 1, it is 1 1 means, or in other statement what we can mention it is, if the inputs are same, the outputs are 0. If for XOR gate it is, if both the inputs are same, the output is 0. That you should be remembering. Okay, keep in mind. That is through this circuit, the outputs are logic 1. Okay, so next is the NOR gate. NOR gate means the output of the XOR gate connected with the NOT gate. See, the XOR gate connected with the NOR gate, that is a bubble. Means the output is means complementary output of a XOR gate. Means if both the inputs are same, the output is 1. For remaining bits it is 0. Okay, or it is been mentioned as A exclusive or B whole bar. That is, if the expression for this one is A bar into AB into plus A bar into B bar. For the XOR operation, the expression what you will be getting is, for 1 1 it is what? For 1 it is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, so see, so this one is the summary of all the gates: NOT gate, AND gate, NAND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR and XOR. So if you just remember this table, it should be easier. Okay, NOT gate means complementary output, AND gate means multiplication, NAND gate means complementary output of a NAND gate. For 0 it is 1, for 0 it is 1, for 0 it is 1, for 1 it is 0. In the same fashion, OR gate means addition. Okay, so this is the truth table. NOR gate means it's a complementary output of a OR gate. So if it is 0 it is 1, for remaining ones it is 0. XOR gate is what? So if both the inputs are same, the output is 0. Okay, for XNOR it is complementary output of a XOR. Okay, so logic gates using NAND gate. So whatever the previous session we have been just differentiating now. Okay, NOT gate and a OR NOT AND gate. The NAND gate combination will be having a NAND gate and a AND gate. A NOT gate is made by joining the two inputs of a NAND gate. Okay, see here. Now what we people are doing in this is, we are just designing the logic gates using NAND gates. Okay, so as we already previously told that if you are not having a NOT gate, so how it can be used? By using a NAND gates here. NOT gate is having only one input, so this one is Q is equal to NOT of A. See, A is what? Only one input, so we just shorten the two inputs. Okay, so A NAND A means if we are getting the input as 0, for the output of a truth table of a NAND gate is what? 0 0 it is 1. If I give the input as 1, so both the inputs are 1 1 means the output is 0. Okay, for AND gate means it's a combination of two NAND gates. Okay, A and B. See, this one is the thing what it has been, A and B, NAND A and B. So NAND gate, it has been converted to a thing. So by using the expressions we can just create by using the double complement also, we can just digit or so this is the expression what it has been means. A and B means 0 0, or the output should be what? For NAND gate it is 0. For here, see here, AB 0 0, NAND gate is 1 1 1, it is 0. Okay, and so this one is for the OR gate. So what it is be AB, we reduce the A or B, A and B NAND, B and B. So normally what it will be reduced means A or B means A plus B bar is there. If you just put a double complement, what it will be? A bar into B bar. Okay, if you for that reduce the expression, we will be just writing the A bar into B bar into NAND gate. Okay, in the NOR operation same thing, A NOR B. Once again if you just connect it, so the same NOR gate we are just connected with another bubble or a NOT gate. So this already OR has been designed. Okay, along with that we just keep one bubble, that is of a one inverter. See, the same circuit has been there along with this thing. Okay, XOR operation. So these are the two terms by using the four NAND gates or by using the 5 NAND gates, depending upon the design what we people are being designed. A XOR B, the expression is what? A bar B plus A B bar. So if you reduce by using the putting the 2's complement method, that is De Morgan's law, then what we will be getting is the reduced expression will be getting. So this one is by using the minimum number of NAND gates, this one is the thing what we have been reduced by using the gates. See, so same thing XNOR gate, how it is been reduced. Okay, so this one is by using minimum 5 gates and this one is by using the 5 gates. So whichever you feel easy, you can just go for it. But the only thing is by applying the Boolean laws, especially by applying the De Morgan's law, you should reduce the expression. Only thing what you should be taking care is, if you are designing by using only NAND gates, then there should be no addition sign at the last expression. That care should be taken. If you are designing by using the NAND gates, at the final expression there should be not be any addition sign. That care should be taken. Okay, so this one is the logic gates by using NOR gate. NOR gate using the same one input has been there. So this is the thing. So AND gate using the see here how that has been reduced. AND gate means A into B is the expression. Okay, if I apply the A into B double bar, the what I will be getting is A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay, A bar plus B bar whole bar. A bar B bar, that is A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay, in this fashion we can just use it. And for OR gate the same thing. Okay, OR gate means A plus B whole bar means NOR gate with another inverter. The same thing, inverter if I can, then it will be converted into what? A plus B, that is A plus B. OR gate means what? A plus B. If I put a double bar, then it will be what? A plus B whole bar plus another whole bar will be there, then it will be reduced it. Okay, see, so this one by consider by using only the 2 inputs gates. Now people have been designed, so any of the inputs, any number of inputs might be there. So this one is just a simple example what we will be rating. So first is a 3 input OR gate, that is the expression what it will reduce is x plus y plus z. Okay, next is the 3 input AND gate. So the terms what they have mentioned is x, y bar and z, and the final expression for this one will be for AND gate is 3 input AND gate is x into y bar into z. Okay, and another is x into y, then q and q bar. So it is the left to you what you people will be representing, what are the input and what is the output. Okay, the main things to remember, that combination of gates implementation Boolean function is combinations of gates. The circuit will implement the Boolean function. Okay, see here, this one is the expression what you have been previously sessions what you have just discussed about this f of x y z is x plus y bar z. So this one is just the logical diagram what we people have been drawn. X plus y bar z. So first y is here, they are getting the y bar, and z is the AND gate. So the output of this one is connected with the one OR gate along with the x. The expression whatever we people have been written here, so for that the logical figure is this one. Okay, so we have designed a circuit that implements the Boolean function. In the previous session it has been explained. Okay, x plus y bar z. Okay, this circuit is an example of combination circuit logic. Combination circuit produces specified output almost at the instant when the input values are varied. Okay, as soon as the inputs have been varied, we will be changing the output as it has been mentioned in the previous session along with the truth table. So if you just go on giving the input 0 0 0, what will be the output? So 0 0 0 is, so I will be getting it as 0 here. Y bar means 0 it is, so you will be getting it as 1. 1 anything multiplied with 0, you will be getting it as 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. In this fashion we can cross check all the variables. Okay, next the simplify the given from using and then using the logical gates. So this one is a simple example of combining of the Boolean law along with the gates. So this is the expression what they are again given: x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y bar z plus x bar y bar plus x y bar. Okay, so in the first two terms what they are given, we have just taken it as what? The common terms, x bar y bar are the common terms. The remaining terms are what? z plus z bar. So in this they have kept it as constant for the next step, x bar plus x bar. Z plus z bar is what? 1. So what the expression will be, that is a plus a bar is 1, that is x bar y bar plus x bar y bar plus x y bar. X bar y bar and plus x bar y for both the terms, a plus a is what? A, that is x bar y bar plus x y bar. So next is what? Y bar they have taken it as common. So what the terms they have given is x plus x bar. X plus x bar is what? Once again it is wrong. That is a plus a. That is, so what we are remembering is q is equal to y bar. So y is the input, q is equal to y bar by using the NOR gate. So if they are using the gates, if they adjust, we can take it as y, and NOR gate also we can place it. If they are implement by using NOR gate, then you should be using the NOR gate. If they are tell by using the NAND gate, then this same figure should be drawn by using the NAND gate. Okay, so this one is another example. So by using the logical gates. Okay, see A, B, C. So first we should reduce the expression, then whatever the final expression will be getting, for that we just going with the logical figure. ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar BC. So in these two terms, what are the common terms? ABC and ABC bar is, AB is the common, so remaining terms are C plus C bar plus A bar BC. So C plus C bar means that is the same, A plus A bar, AB plus A bar BC. Once again B is the common term here, so you will be getting it as A plus A bar C. So A plus A bar is what? A. So B into A plus C. So if you multiply it, AB plus BC, so you will be having a common term. See here, AB plus BC we can directly, or so B is common here, so we are just giving the two inputs to the B. So A is the get, so AB plus BC. So this one is the logical diagram. So in this fashion, if you give any of the expression, you should try to reduce the expression, then reduced expression. For that reduced expression, you should be able to draw the logical diagram. Okay, so this one is the logical diagram what they are using by using gates. Sometimes they will be using by using the NAND gates. Then once again the expression, see here, the whatever the terms whatever given is AB plus BC, we people have got it. So you should reduce the expression for using the NAND gate. So once again I should take the double complement, that is AB plus BC double bar. Then how we can reduce it? We can reduce it by AB bar into BC bar whole bar. Okay, for that by using only the NAND gates, AB bar. So this one is the NAND gate, so this one is also a NAND gate, one of the NAND gate. So that is the logical diagram. Okay, by using this we can reduce any of the expressions. Okay, thank you.